Good morning, friends. Sheila here with Homeworker Models and Trilite Builders, Coffee and Construction, edition 16. Today we've got progress from the plumbers that were here yesterday, and we've got roofers starting to work on the finished roofing material. As you can see, we've got some roofing material up there. They're working on that today to get this roof dried in for us, which is going to be wonderful progress. Not sure if you can see it quite yet, but our water spigot's on the outside of the structure also, so that we've got that there. Oh, can we get it in the video? Yes, there we go. Awesome. So you can see we've got plumbing trenches all done with our underground plumbing, so that can be filled in. Our electrician's going to be out to work on the electrical trench in just the next couple of days. All kinds of stuff going on here. I'm going to walk you into the space so you can see where our plumber put in the shower pan yesterday. So we've got all of our plumbing done, all of our vent pipes. We saw that yesterday, but here's the shower pan. So there's our shower pan. Great progress. And then where our shower fixture is going to go. Just looking really sharp in here now. Friends, we're so glad you joined us today on Coffee and Construction. We're walking through this casita project detached structure for these homeowners and enjoying this journey and sharing it with you. We'll be back again tomorrow. Take great care of yourself. You're the best you've got.